another video. Alright, y'all, so I'm a little afraid of this color. I think it looks brighter on camera than it does in person. It's a little darker in person than it is on camera. So I think that's what's scaring me looking on camera, the color. But this is definitely a wig that you have to style, so let's get into that part. finally finished styling this wig. Now, to be honest, I was mentioning the color. You know, when you try a new color, it kind of gotta grow on you for a little minute. And I feel like I could wear this out. One thing I was gonna do, if you guys want me to, you can hit it with the a Sharpie, a black Sharpie. That's what I was gonna do to make the roots dark here at the top right here to match my hair. So I mean, that's one thing you can do. I could show that. I may or may not always say that, y'all. But overall, I like this wig. Y'all already know I love headband wigs since they're so easy to put on and go. It's definitely another throw on and go wig, y'all. So you know, I'm loving it. The quality of this hair, it's not that. You know how some synthetics are like really plasticky. It's not that. It's like a premium. I don't know what they call it, but it's not that plasticky synthetic. It has like some weight to it. I don't know if it's because of the curls. I'm really gonna mess this little hairstyle that it came out to be at, but yeah, it has some weight to it. I could tell right off bat it's not gonna tangle too fast, but you know, you don't get that much. You don't get that much lifespan out of synthetic hair. But I will say, yeah, you're going to get some time out of this, a few weeks. Alright, y'all. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below so that I can, you know what I'm saying? We here. We got to conversate. You know what I'm saying? Drop a comment down below. Subscribe for more because I have more videos coming.